real quick, one thing that you want to make sure that you're doing if you're trading our alerts pre-market or even post-market, you're going to want to go into settings. This is the web browser version, but it still works the same inside of the mobile version. You're going to want to go to settings and then make sure you have show extended hours checked on your chart display settings. This is going to ensure that that it's showing the pre-market and the post-market data, so that way you can track and set alerts and make sure that you're getting in at a good price. So this is one of our alerts that popped up this morning. We could see here in the alert hot list channel. Which one is it? ANTE. This tick. Oh, AMPC. I apologize. Excuse me. AMPC 634 came in at 8.59, currently trading over $12. We see that it had a nice run up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be patient, wait for a pullback. I'm going to set an alarm, which you can see right here. I've actually already indicated. I set an alarm to notify me if it drops below 1052. That way I can catch the pullback and hopefully catch the run up. So yeah, just make sure you're putting those settings on there, show extended hours, that way you can track the trade and look for the pullback if it's already made a nice run up.